Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do a cut crease like this in the golden part, and I will make sure to make it as easy as possible. So let's get started. So guys, I have already done my base, so I will start with the eyeshadow application. For this I'm using the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. So I'm taking the cream shade here and applying it all over the lids. Now taking the busted brown shade and applying it in the outer corner of the eye. Like this. Taking it to the lower lash line. We won't use a liquid foundation for this, we will use a concealer for it because liquid foundations are pretty thin, so the consistency will mix with the eyeshadow and it won't look proper. So it's better to use the concealer. So first I will put on the lash line, then I will look up. See, like this. I will look up. So this is my maximum area where I can cover. If I put below this area and don't cover up to there, then what will happen after some time, the eyeshadow and the concealer will transfer up. So you don't want that. That's why you want to know where you have to end the cut crease. Take a flat brush and then apply it. I'm showing you how to do half cut crease. Doesn't have to be neat, it will be fine afterwards. Let it sit for a few minutes and then apply the eyeshadow. Don't apply it on the wet, otherwise it will look very messy and very muddy. I'm applying with the help of fingertips. Just patting it, not rubbing it. Now mix it well. Take it on the lower lash line also. With the flat side, I'm using the black shadow. Just touching the lash line, creating a lash shadow wing. Now applying the mascara. So guys, this was the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed it, then like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.